Hello and welcome to another episode of Coffee with Developers. My name's Dan, and today I'm joined with another of our Code 100 Amsterdam Challengers, Jim. Jim, great to meet you. How are you?
Thank you very much. Doing very good.
Great. Thanks for joining me. So, Jim, to start us off, if you could tell our viewers a little bit about yourself, that would be great.
Yeah, definitely. So my name is Jim de Vries. I am 26 years old. I started working in code. Well, basically my entire life I've been writing code since I got a PC. Really started working since I was 18. Always stuck with the same company. Then that company moved to another venture. I joined that venture. From there, I grew out of a role as a backend developer now to an infrastructure architect. I am married for 3 years now. I have a daughter. She's 1. Yeah, that's I guess the gist of what's going on.
Very exciting. So what's motivated you to put yourself forward as a challenger and to join the competition?
Yeah, so when I was in school, I won the Dutch national championship for my education twice. I did a couple of hackathons in which I scored quite good. And then I came across this on LinkedIn and I thought, well, there's a good thing to challenge myself again. Because I've been kind of slacking on that the past few years because I've been busy. But I wanna challenge myself again and really do something difficult.
So as you've moved, as you said, from back end through to architecture, which language will you be bringing to Code 100?
Definitely my beloved C Sharp. I started writing C Sharp 5 years ago. Never really moved away from it. Got really hooked on the Microsoft ecosystem as well. So yeah, C Sharp definitely.
So Jim, you said you've done some competitions before, hackathons and things like that in school. How do you think Code 100 might be different?
They were kind of the same setting as well. A little bit less time pressure. They were more about bigger projects that took a day or like 2 days. Never really speed coding, but I'm really looking forward to trying something like this out. A little bit more of an intense and pressure, or a little bit more of a pressure environment instead of an environment where I knew I probably was going to be the best one. Had a lot of time on my hands, so I'm really looking forward to that challenge.
So do you have any techniques or tips of how you might deal with that pressure? Because I can imagine that to go on stage, it could be quite a daunting experience. How do you think you'll deal with that pressure?
To be honest, could just be that I flap out. I just black out right on stage. Happened to me before, so who knows? I don't know. Just keep my eyes on what I'm doing. Right. Don't pay too much attention to the crowd, to lights or whatever. It's yeah. I'm a programmer. I like code. Just look at what I like, not at what's going on, I guess.
Let's just imagine for a second, Jim, that you've gone all the way through Code 100 Amsterdam as the winner. You've gone to the grand finals at the World Congress 2024. What would you do with the money? That's 10,000 euros that you could win. And secondly, what would the future look like after that?
Yeah. So if I'd won the 10,000, I'd probably build my ultimate PC setup. To be honest, maybe a little bit of racing sim setup as well. Yeah, that would be cool, definitely. And what would the future look for me? Well, I don't know. I'm kind of growing hard in my job, right? I'm making a career pretty fast, getting promotions every year. So to be honest, I guess I'll just keep going on that grind because it's been fun. I've been really enjoying that. I am gonna ask my boss, of course, for a little bit more freedom. With hey, look at that. That's another piece of PR for you as well. So yeah. So yeah, what the future will look like? Well, not too differently, I guess. Just I love what I'm doing, and I guess it will just motivate me more to actually do more competitions as well, right? If I can really prove myself, stay on there. Who knows? Maybe farm some followers on GitHub.
Love that. I think it's great that the attitude you're going into this with. Do you have anything else to say to anybody coming along on February the 29th?
Well, I guess I'd say enjoy the show, right? It's a spectacle, so enjoy what you see. Get inspired, maybe to compete in an event like this yourself. Because, well, I guess if you're coming, you probably like code. So why not try if you're how good you are with code?
Jim, thank you very much for joining me today. I really appreciate the time. Good luck in Amsterdam. I'll see you there along with the rest of the team. We'll catch you on the 29th. Best of luck.
Thank you very much.